Demonstrative Determiners Unleashed. Mastering that. Hello, language learners. Today, we're going to delve into the fascinating world of demonstrative determiners. Specifically, we're focusing on the word that. We'll explore how we use that to indicate distance or distinction. It's going to be a fun journey, so let's get started. First off, let's understand what that really is. As a demonstrative determiner, that helps us identify or point out a specific object or person. When we use that, we're usually referring to something farther away from us or something we've already mentioned or discussed. Let's talk about how we use that to indicate distance. Remember, that is usually used when the object or person we're referring to is not close to us, either physically or figuratively. For instance, if we say, "I like that house," we're likely pointing out a house that's somewhat distant from us. Now let's move on to using that to indicate distinction. When we're having a conversation and we use that, we're often referring to something that we've already mentioned. For example, if we've been discussing a particular book and we say, "That book was interesting," we're using that to refer back to the book we've been talking about. The key to mastering that is, as with most things in language learning, practice. Try to listen for uses of that in the conversations, books, and media around you. Pay attention to how and when it's used. You could also try writing sentences of your own, using that to refer to distant objects or refer back to something you've already mentioned. And that's our quick journey into the world of that as a demonstrative determiner. It may seem small, but this word plays a vital role in how we communicate. We hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about using that to indicate distance or distinction. Keep practicing, and you'll soon be a master of this tricky determiner. Happy learning!